Maria, and today I'm going to give you some steps to follow to become an affiliate marketer. If you're a blogger or online business owner, becoming an affiliate marketer is one of the best moves you can make. In this video, we are going to explore how to become an affiliate marketer and thus helping bloggers, influencers, and content creators monetize their web traffic and earn passive income. But before we get too far, I want to let you know that there will be links to more resources in the video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when a customer or user earns a commission by promoting an advertiser or retailer's product. The customer, now known as an affiliate, receives a payout when they get their audience to achieve what the advertiser wants, usually a sale. All affiliates have to do is search for a product they enjoy, promote it, and earn a percentage of profit for each sale they make. Sales are tracked through affiliate links. Affiliate marketing programs also benefit the businesses. According to Rewardful, 15 to 30% of sales come from referral programs. Here are a few reasons why you should learn how to become an affiliate marketer. Passive income. If you want to know how to make money online, affiliate programs are a quick and inexpensive way to do so without the hassle of selling your product. Unlike a day job that requires you to work before earning money, affiliate marketing empowers you to earn while you sleep. You need to sign up for an affiliate site and set up a campaign. Once that's done, you'll continuously earn money when customers use your affiliate link to buy what you recommend. Multiple channels. You can earn from affiliate programs through your social media accounts, email lists, and website. Cost effective. Affiliate marketing is a low barrier entry business. Most affiliate programs don't have sign-up fees. Create an account and start earning. There's no expertise needed. You don't need special skills to become an affiliate marketer. Basic knowledge of SEO or digital marketing might be helpful, but the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can learn and test along the way. Convenience and flexibility. You don't have to stick to one affiliate program. You can create multiple campaigns. You can also work remotely and be your own boss. While there are many advantages to becoming an affiliate marketer, you should also manage your expectations. You can't control affiliate marketing programs. You depend on the merchant's rules and conditions. So if you want to earn more, you have to be selective about which partnerships you choose. Results don't happen overnight. It might take time before your affiliate earnings pick up, especially if you aren't starting with a big following. Just keep improving your posts. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. There's no revenue guarantee. Earning passive income from affiliate marketing is possible, but not guaranteed. Don't make it a primary source of revenue until you start seeing results. Competition. Because there's a low barrier to entry, many people sign up to become affiliate marketers. If you're having second thoughts about learning how to become an affiliate marketer, the income potential may be enough to change your mind. Typical affiliate earnings can range from $50,000 to $25,000 per month, but that depends on a lot of factors, such as the industry or niche, the size of the following, and engagement. Of these three factors, engagement matters the most. Brands love micro-influencers because they cost less, are more relatable, and build trust with their audiences. Another important consideration is choosing and building a niche. By trying to sell it all, you'll likely end up selling to no one. While there are different affiliate marketing models, the business involves earning affiliate commissions from selling another brand's products. Affiliate sales are tracked using referral links, which have tracking cookies. These tracking cookies stay on a user's browser for a specified amount of time. That can be as short as a day to as long as a year. If the user who clicked on the referral link purchases something within the tracking cookie's valid time frame, the affiliate earns a commission. Here's a flowchart of how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate links are used to track your customers' purchases. The way you generate and track affiliate links depends on the affiliate program you choose. When you sign up for an affiliate network, they take care of affiliate link tracking and generation. That could be another story when you use an in-house affiliate program. Some affiliate programs don't have tracking or reporting tools, while others, like Kinsta, let you track your affiliate traffic. You can use link management software to cloak your affiliate links and learn how to track affiliate links in WordPress. Affiliate marketers earn credit when users buy something through their affiliate links. In the affiliate world, this is known as cost per action. It's the most popular way affiliates get paid. But that's not the only way. You can get paid for other actions, such as cost per lead. You earn when a customer gives you personal details, such as an email address or phone number. Cost per click. You earn every time a user clicks your link. It works similarly to banner ads. Cost per impression. You earn for every 1,000 views. Some ads also work this way. The type of payout, how much, how often, and what method you get paid depend on the merchant managing the affiliate program. Merchants usually pay their affiliates monthly once they've reached a minimum payout amount. Standard payment methods include PayPal and direct deposit. When you decide to become an affiliate marketer, the first step is choosing a niche. You can choose one based on popularity, profitability, market demand, or your interests. The best niche would be a combination of all four. Choosing a niche is vital because it dictates the quality of engagement from your followers. If you don't believe in what you're selling, your followers won't either. And choosing the right niche is crucial because not all of them are profitable. Our tip: check whether your interest falls in the most popular affiliate marketing niches. That way, you hit two birds with one stone. You can be sure it's profitable and you know the ins and outs of the niche and won't struggle with following trends. The most popular affiliate niches include health and fitness, technology, personal finance, dating, blogging and making money online, and fashion. After deciding which niche to specialize in, it's time to join affiliate marketing programs. Affiliates can choose between two types of programs. An affiliate network is a midpoint between publishers and merchant affiliate programs. Merchants who sign up can create a program on the platform, while publishers can choose from multiple programs. Affiliate networks are best for beginners because they have almost everything you need for a successful affiliate marketing out of the box. They make it easy for users to sign up for multiple programs by having them all on one platform. They usually charge a commission for convenience though, so your potential earnings may be less than if you had signed up for multiple in-house programs. Companies can create their in-house affiliate programs. Publishers get more commissions when they sign up for them, but they have to sign up individually to be a part of multiple programs. High-quality affiliate programs offer high commission rates and extended cookie validity. With Kinsta's affiliate program, you can earn $50 to $500 in commissions, depending on the plan, for every sign-up, along with 10% recurring commissions. We offer monthly payouts, which are automatically sent via PayPal. And because we consistently make our clients happy, we have a low churn rate, meaning you bring home consistent income. Here are the top platforms for affiliate marketers right now. Creating an affiliate website is the best method because you own it and can make any changes you need to along the way. You can also leverage SEO to help create timeless content where people can search your products or keywords. You can also make money by selling digital and physical products, creating sponsored posts, or displaying ads. And websites can handle different content types, but the written word reigns supreme in affiliate marketing. Are you ready to start a WordPress website for your affiliate marketing business? You should consider signing up for a Kinsta hosting plan. With over 2 billion users worldwide, YouTube is another lucrative platform for affiliate marketing. Besides earning from YouTube ad revenue or selling merchandise, YouTubers also make money from affiliate marketing. You don't have to have millions of followers. You have to build a YouTube channel and create helpful content. As of October 2021, there are 4.55 billion social media users across different platforms, covering 57.6% of the world's population. Influencer marketing has empowered content creators to leverage their social media presence to promote products. They earn by posting product links to their Facebook groups, Instagram stories, tweets, or pins. Influencers favor social media because it's convenient, visible, and where their audience is. The downside is that social media requires you to post frequently because algorithms change and posts have a short shelf life. Otherwise, social networks are a great platform for marketing efforts. There are 4 billion active email users in the world today, making it one of the most profitable platforms for affiliate marketing. Learning to be an affiliate marketer using your email list means unlearning many traditional email marketing best practices. Here, you take a customer's point of view by sharing a solution that helped you instead of selling your products. A podcast is another popular platform that focuses on audio content. As of 2021, there are 2 million podcasts, over 48 million podcast episodes, and 62 million weekly podcast listeners. People like podcasts because they can listen to them during routine tasks, such as commuting or exercising. Research shows that 54% of listeners consider buying from a brand when they hear about it on a podcast, which shows how podcasts generate brand interest. Besides creating revenue from sponsorship deals, podcasts are also an excellent opportunity for affiliate marketing. You can mention affiliates in the episode and post affiliate links on your show notes in social media. Chances are you use more than one of these platforms. For best results, why not post your affiliate link across all platforms? That way, you can track which platforms your affiliate links perform best. People won't visit your channels if you don't provide valuable content. Here are a few content ideas to consider while learning to become an affiliate marketer. How-to guides, product reviews, product comparisons, best product lists, ebooks, tutorials, listicles, and case studies, hauls, unboxing videos, product reviews, product try-ons, tutorials, and top X lists. After you've created content using your affiliate links, it's time to get more people to see it. Here are some content marketing tips to bolster your affiliate marketing strategy. Post on forums and question and answer websites like Reddit and Quora. Post on social media. Use affiliate banners on your website. Now that you've learned the basics of affiliate marketing, take note of these tips to maximize your affiliate earnings. Only promote brands you believe in. Integrity is essential. Customers can tell when you're just trying to make money. Build a relationship with your audience so you can instill trust. Don't try to sell right away. Be transparent. Let your audience know that you earn something by promoting the company's product. Create quality content. Helpful content is the type that resonates the most with customers. Remember, a large audience doesn't always equal success with affiliate marketing. The key is an engaged audience. If you're looking to boost your site's organic traffic and beat out your competition, then we have the perfect ebook for you. Download our free Ultimate Guide to SEO ebook to gain access to the 50+ tips we used to grow our own organic traffic by more than 123% year after year. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.